After completing the registration, first step is to set up rooms. You can edit room clicking on the settings icon on the top right menu bar. Then property, then rooms. Or if you don't have any room configured, click the Go button. Our example is to create 2 shared dorms and 2 private rooms. To add a new room, click the plus button. Rooms order in calendar will follow the order you used to create rooms. First, select room type. Private or shared room. Second, select how many guests this room can fit. Choose a room name. Room quantity is used to create more rooms at the same time if you have a bunch of rooms with same characteristics. For our example, we write 2 to create 2 equal dormitories. As room category, we chose dormitory. We set price per night at 200 Mexican pesos. If you want, you can add a weekend price that will be applied on Friday night and on Saturday night. As you can see, 2 rooms were created with same characteristics, Dorm 01 and Dorm 02. Now we create our private rooms. Guests in the room. Room name. Now we set room quantity at 1. Room category. Price per night. Save. We follow the same steps for our last private room. As you can see, clicking the Edit button, you can modify rooms information. Remember that changing room base price, all the prices of every reservation will be changed for this room. And that you can't delete a room if it contains some booking.
When you're over setting up your rooms, you can already begin to use the software. But it's suggested you finish setting up your property. Process lasts just few minutes. Click Payment Methods. Payment methods are the way your guests pays you. You can define all payment methods you accept. And select the default one. Click on Services. Those are the extra services you offer in your property and that you charge for. Like tours, dinners, bicycle rentals, transportation, etc. There is no limit on extra services you offer. Now click on Deposits. Those are the returnable deposits you ask for something you provide. Could be deposit for room's keys or a towel. Click Taxes. Taxes are inclusive in price. All prices you use in DeskyDoo are taxes included. But taxes are useful when you print invoices for customers.
You can access Users menu under Settings, Users. Preferred language is imported by browser settings during registration, but you can always change it from the User menu. In the upper right section, you can connect or disconnect your Google account to fast login with it. Or, you can update and change your password. Setting up your staff allow you to enjoy a lot of functionality of DeskyDoo. Since there is a history for every reservation and for every action, it's useful to set up a different account for everybody. Each user group has different permissions. Property administrator has permissions similar to the owner. Manager can create new accounts and set up property, but not edit rooms. A manager can also force a user password for somebody of the staff. Receptionists can use the calendar, but not modify seasons, property, or users. Cleaning staff can just see empty room or where they need to clean. Every time you add user, a verification email is sent.
You can find Seasons configuration in Settings and click Seasons in the left menu. When you add season, you just need to specify a season name, a start date, and an end date. You can change price for every single room. If you leave the value empty, base room price will be used. Clicking on the season, you see details. Clicking on Interface in the Settings left menu, you get access to some useful options. Show Occupancy, allow you to see daily occupancy in calendar. Compact View is to have a wider vision in calendar. Show Positive Balances show you reservations that needs to pay. When somebody of your staff create a reservation, all staff members with access to calendar, receptionist, manager, property administrator, and owner are notified with an alert. Disabling this option, you can disable this notification. Switch day at midnight, it's an option useful for night shift. It allows you to have the vision as if it was the past day, even if midnight has passed.